Hi, welcome to Island Story Sprint 1 review. So in this video we will be presenting the overview of what we did during Sprint 1 and breaking down the user stories and developers, and also the issues and problems that we faced during Sprint 1. Lastly, we will be talking about we'll be improving the next sprint. So our team member includes Lee, James, Joseph, and myself.
I'm the product owner and a developer for Island Story project. For my part of the project, first thing I've done is setting up the developing environment for my team and setting up GitHub. The first user story I've done, which include a start and load and exit function. A load basically lets you to go to any level you already unlocked it, and the start menu gets you to the first menu. And the second story I've done is the pause menu. So the pause menu will pause the game and give you two selections of going back to main menu and go back to the game. So go back to the game will take you back to the game. Yeah. And I have improved of some of the scripts, including this. And that's the third story I've done. It's a dead panel, which let you replay the game or go back to the main menu.
Hello everyone, I'm James. For my user story, I designed some game maps and Easter eggs, and I also do the background music and the controller for move. So let me show you. We can say my phone. Okay, start, and it has background music, and let me turn it off, and you can say it's joystick, and I can move and I can jump, and there is the attack button. I can just attack it. Okay, I also designed different levels of our map and have two Easter eggs you can see here, and see 5 on the bottom have also Easter egg.
I'm Joseph and I'm the tester of the group. So basically I test the function of the code and see if they work properly, and I also do the burn charts to show how the group member works and see if they are ideal. So this is the example of the burn chart. This is the Sprint 1 burn chart for our group, so it's pretty ideal. So we are kind of behind at the beginning, but as far as we go through, we are doing our work pretty well. So although there are some user stories that we haven't finished, but they are not must-have options, so we have done most of our work pretty nice.
Hi, my name is Shane. I am a Scrum Master and developer. So during Sprint 1, what I did mainly focusing on the designing the players and the monsters. So firstly, I download some assets on the Unity store, and then added some animations for the player and the monsters, such as the idle, attack, and the movement, and also for the monsters animations, such as the death status and the movements. And also I wrote some codes for players, which they can attack monsters and then breaking them into pieces. And also I added some cherry and the gem, so player can pick up them to gain health and points. the difficulties that I faced during Sprint 1 was that I have some players can jump multiple times when I click the jump button, and finally helped me to fix that by adding some ground sensors to players, so the jump can be activated when touching the ground.
For the difficulties we meet, I think the first thing is communication. Because of the virus, we cannot meet face to face, and we cannot share our ideas on time. And I think the second thing is combine our code. For this part, Lee will introduce this.
For the earlier stage of our coding, we were doing it offline, and as soon as things move back to level 2, we meet together, and the first thing I've done is merge our project onto GitHub, and we run into a lot of problems when merging our projects because our team is using different platforms for coding. Some of them are using Mac, some of them are using Windows, but we worked that out.
For me, the difficulties that I faced, the most often is the coding regarding as the jump, attack, and the user interface. So Lee helped me to fix that problems.
Alright, some more details about that. So for the attacks, it basically have a lot of broken reference list. A lot of scripts are not referenced to a real object. And for a jump, basically the internal timers were not assigned to a good value, so it can infinitely jump to sky. And for the interface, basically we write every script.
The difficulty is that for unit testing, basically the tutorials online has a different version compared the version that we used to code. So when testing, there are always some compiling errors. Basically, the syntax is different because the version is different, so it takes a lot of time to fix the error and trying to find out how to test the code.
So for the definition of down, the first thing is that every developer needs to finish their own user story, and then they test themselves first, and then tell the testers to test their user story, and then the tester will testing the every developer's user story, and then finally they communicate with each others to make sure all the outcomes they are all happy with that result.
For our Sprint 2, first we need to finish all the levels. At the moment we only have Scene 1 and Scene 2, but all the components are modular, so should not be a problem for us. And then we wanna save and load the game. It was in our Sprint 1 user story, but we found it a little bit harder to do it, so we push it back to Sprint 2. After that, for me personally, I want to improve the attack. The attack solution I mentioned in the difficulties is only a temporary solution. And after that, we want to implement a double jump solution. So at the moment, the character can only jump once before it touches the ground. And we want to add sound control, improve the volume control, and add more sound effects. After that, we want to implement a boss. Yeah, that's it for us.